In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable location metadata access in Claude AI using the Claude desktop app. This is a quick setting change, but it can be useful if you want Claude to have access to location-related metadata for a more personalized or context-aware experience. If this tutorial helps, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. Once it loads, look to the bottom left corner of the app and click on your name or profile icon. This opens your account and app options, including the settings menu. From here, click Settings. This will take you into Claude's main settings panel, where you can customize privacy and preference options. Next, look at the left sidebar inside the settings window and click Privacy. This is where Claude keeps the options related to data access, permissions, and metadata preferences. Once you're in the privacy section, look for the preferences area. Under that section, you should see an option for location metadata. All you need to do is toggle location metadata on. After switching it on, Claude will be able to access location metadata according to the app's privacy settings. If you ever want to turn it off later, you can come back to the same place and disable it anytime. And that's it. You've now enabled location metadata access in Claude AI. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Claude tips and AI setup tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.